Every bottle of strawberry juice begins here, in fields where nature and labor meet at dawn.
Trained hands select only the ripest strawberries, each one chosen for color, size, and sugar content.
Collection carts move through the rows like arteries, carrying the harvest to its next destination.
Within minutes of harvest, strawberries are loaded and secured and
Every load is weighed and sampled. Quality documentation begins before the fruit ever leaves the farm.
Color, firmness, and sugar content. 3 values that determine whether a strawberry becomes premium juice.
The journey from field to factory begins, Doreen. Every kilogram of strawberry tracked from this moment forward.
3 trucks, 12 tons of premium strawberries Lorky, and a factory waiting to transform every single one. Cleared and documented, the harvest moves onto the highway, Relund. Destination, the strawberry juice processing facility. 12 tons of strawberries approach their destination, a facility engineered for precision, speed, and purity.
Every vehicle entering this facility is logged, verified, and cleared. Traceability starts at the gate.
Driver ID, load manifest, farm origin, every data point locked into the system before a single strawberry is unloaded.
11,840 kilograms verified twilling. The facility now takes full custody of this morning's strawberry harvest.
The tailgate falls, and for the first time, the factory sees its raw material face to face.
Within seconds of arrival, strawberries enter a controlled cold environment. Temperature is their first line of protection. Cold storage buys time, Fred. Every degree matters when preserving the anthocyanins that give strawberry juice its signature color.
Batch 001 is released for production, and the transformation from raw fruit to pure juice is now officially underway. The intake conveyor crosses the threshold at rounding, and strawberries enter the heart of the factory for the very first time. 6 tanks, 300,000 liters of capacity. Every drop of strawberry juice produced today will pass through this system. This is the factory floor, where 12 tons of strawberries will be cleaned, crushed, extracted, and bottled before this shift ends. 7 steps, 7 layers of protection, bound identically, because in juice production, hygiene is the product.
Every worker who enters this facility passes through a hygiene airlock. Contamination prevention begins before a single machine is touched.
6:55. Workers at stations, machines on standby. The shift supervisor makes one final check before the floor goes live.
One button, and 12 tons of strawberries begin their journey through 200 meters of precision engineering. 347 days without incident. Safety is not a poster on the wall here. It is an active, verified, daily practice.
Fargel. Temperature, humidity, air purity pacing. 3 invisible variables controlled to the decimal. Because from above, a factory tells the truth. Every motion deliberate, every station connected, every second accountable.
The tipping station ends the tray's journey and begins the strawberries, a controlled cascade into the cleaning system.
Cold water flotation cream. The first wash removes field dust, loose debris, and surface contaminants in under 90 seconds. 3.5 bar of pressure. 180 nozzles. Every surface of every strawberry cleaned in a 3-meter tunnel of controlled force. 3.5 bar of pressure. 180 nozzles. Every surface of every strawberry cleaned in a 3-meter tunnel of controlled force. 3.5 bar of pressure. 180 nozzles. Every surface of every strawberry cleaned in a 3-meter tunnel of controlled force.
Emerald clean and dripping, the high-pressure wash delivers strawberries ready for their next transformation.
8 tons per hour. Automatic calyx removal, precise, consistent, and waste-free, with every green top collected for composting.
The transformation of strawberry juice begins at the core. Backlit and exposed, the light table reveals what the naked eye cannot. Only perfect fruit moves forward.
Size grading separates the harvest into 3 streams, each grade contributing its own characteristic to the final juice blend.
Every bin weighed, every grade recorded, every kilogram accounted for new. The data trail is as important as the juice itself.
Clean, sorted, graded, and weighed, the strawberry is now ready for the process that will release every drop of juice locked inside it.
Fresh pulp gathers as the base of strawberry juice.
Unwanted solids are removed from strawberry juice.
Every element is refined to perfect strawberry juice.
The next phase prepares strawberry juice for transformation.
Pressure releases the rich essence of strawberry juice.
Consistency defines the quality of strawberry juice. Flow continues seamlessly through the system for strawberry juice. Controlled movement prepares strawberries for extraction into strawberry juice. Heat begins the transformation of strawberry juice.
Every degree matters in perfecting strawberry juice.
Precision heat ensures safety in strawberry juice.
Time and heat work together for strawberry juice stability. Precision cooling preserves the essence of strawberry juice. Pressure refines the texture of strawberry juice.
Uniformity defines premium strawberry juice.
Rapid cooling locks in freshness of strawberry juice. Transformation complete. Strawberry juice moves forward. Automation directs the flow of strawberry juice. Precision control keeps strawberry juice moving flawlessly. Real-time data ensures perfect strawberry juice consistency. Digital systems optimize strawberry juice production. Powerful pumps drive strawberry juice forward. Clean systems protect the purity of strawberry juice.
Automation prepares every container for strawberry juice.
Timing is everything in strawberry juice automation. Strawberry juice is ready for its final form. Precision filling shapes every bottle of strawberry juice. Speed meets accuracy in strawberry juice production.
Secure sealing protects the freshness of strawberry juice. Identity is applied to every bottle of strawberry juice. Traceability ensures trust in strawberry juice. Only perfection passes for strawberry juice. Strawberry juice prepares for its final journey.
Sealing begins for every bottle of strawberry juice.
Quality checks begin for every batch of strawberry juice.
Inside the lab, strawberry juice is tested with precision.
Visual consistency defines premium strawberry juice.
Balance is essential in strawberry juice formulation.
Safety is verified in every drop of strawberry juice.
Texture defines the experience of strawberry juice.
Only approved batches move forward as strawberry juice.
Certified quality returns to the flow of strawberry juice.
Strawberry juice enters its final packaging stage. Heat seals every pack of strawberry juice securely. Strawberry juice is boxed for safe transport. Efficiency builds every pallet of strawberry juice.
Strawberry juice waits in organized storage.
Stability ensures safe delivery of strawberry juice. Final checks prepare strawberry juice for dispatch. Strawberry juice begins its journey to the world. And this is how modern factories produce strawberry juice from start to finish.